Hey there, fellow PDF enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to highlight a PDF in 2025. Whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional reviewing reports, or just someone who loves organizing digital documents, highlighting is a game changer for making important info stand out. In this video, we'll cover simple, step-by-step methods using popular tools that are free and easy to access. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need a PDF file ready. Open it in a reliable viewer like Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is free to download. Once it's loaded, look for the highlighting tool. It's usually in the toolbar or under the Comment section. Click on it, select your desired color from the options. Yellow is a classic choice, but feel free to get creative with blues or greens, and then drag your cursor over the text you want to highlight. Super straightforward, right? If you're not a fan of Adobe, don't worry, there are other options. For instance, if you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, just open the PDF in your browser. Right-click on the text, select, highlight, and choose a color. It's that simple. For mobile users, apps like Adobe Acrobat or even the built-in PDF viewer on your iPhone or Android can do the trick. Tap the markup tool, pick a highlighter, and swipe over your text. Pro tip: always save your changes after highlighting. Go to File, Greater Than, Save As to create a new version, so you don't mess up the original. In 2025, many tools now support AI-powered highlighting, which can automatically detect key phrases. Check if your software has that feature for even faster results. One common issue is if the PDF is locked or scanned. In that case, use an OCR tool to make it editable first. Remember, highlighting keeps your documents clean and professional without scribbling all over them. There you have it. Highlighting PDFs made easy. Give it a try on your next document and see how it boosts your productivity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.